For easy removal of your rear wheel, in case you get a flat out in the road, make sure in the smallest chainring in the front, smallest cog in the back, open the release lever for the brake. Go ahead and flip the bike over. Carefully open slowly the quick release lever, and the wheel will just pop right out. To replace the wheel, once the flat's been fixed, move it such that the smallest cog will engage the chain on the bottom here of the derailleur. Go ahead and raise the derailleur, push down on the wheel, and then tighten up the quick release lever and push till closed. Finally, close your brake lever to engage the brakes. The quick release skewers on your bicycle wheels should be at least firm enough so you have to apply your palm to push it all the way over, but not so difficult that you cannot easily open them up again if you have to remove the wheel. Also, note the placement of the quick release skewer in front of the fork and between the chainstay and seat stay, such that this will prevent it from easily getting knocked open as it might in the rear position. I developed a small tear in the shifter hood, so I went on eBay, got a used one to match the particular shifter, but when I put it on, it was really sticky. Now, we do know that rubber can biodegrade over time and have a very sticky surface, and I tried every solution on the internet, none of which worked, so I figured, well, let me try a little biodegradable degreaser. Applied that, wiped it off, no more stickiness, nice and smooth ever since. I wanted a case for this multi-tool so it won't rattle around and tear the spare tire I have in my saddlebag, so I took an old mountain bike tube, one had a big hole in it, cut a section of tubing, makes a nice protective case. In a previous video we showed you how to compress your spare tube and wrap it in saran wrap to keep it dry. Instead of using masking tape, which is sometimes hard to work with, we'll cut a piece from that old mountain bike tube and use it like a rubber band to keep that saran wrap on and hold it nice and tight. If you have tips that you'd like me to demonstrate, please comment below. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest videos. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed Safe Cycling.